So hi, what's up and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you a site where you can actually get paid for doing surveys, completing offers and watching videos online. If this is your first time watching a video on this channel, I want to say a big welcome to you. And if you're a returning viewer, I really want to say a big thank you for always watching the video. So now, without wasting much time, let's head straight into the video. Click on the first link in the description and it's going to take you directly to this registration page. Now, before I begin, here are the things I will talk about in this video. One is how you can actually register an account. The second is different ways you can actually earn on the site. The third is how to perform a task and get paid. And the fourth is how you can actually withdraw from this site to wherever you want to withdraw to. So now let's head straight into how to register an account. To register an account, all you have to do is to click on the first link in the description and it's going to bring you directly to this registration page, where you'll be told to put in your email address, your password. You have to confirm your password. Then after doing that, you're going to tap on the sign up now button. Immediately you tap on sign up now, it's going to bring you directly to this page where you'll be told to select your gender if you're a male or a female. You have to select your date of birth. You'll be told to put in your first name and your last name as well. Once you're done with the first page, scroll down a little and you'll be told to put in your home address, your address line 1, address line 2, your city and your state. I advise you just put in your house number and street in the address line 1 and address line 2. Then you put in your city and you select your state from wherever you are in the world. So once you're done with this, you're going to scroll down as well and it's going to take you to this page where you'll be told to put in your state and your ZIP code. To get your ZIP code, you can just open a new tab and in the search bar, just follow this format. Type in the name of your town or your city and put in the name of your state as well in this format. Now, you have to just select one of this code and put it in the ZIP code. And once you're done with that, just tap on complete sign up and you'll be taken directly to your dashboard. Yours is going to be completely different from this. You're not going to get something like this. So permit me to change this video mode to a portrait mode to show you what yours is going to look like exactly and how to complete the first offer. Now, before I do that, let me tell you the different ways you can actually earn on this site. Now, if you scroll to the bottom of this page, you're going to see something like this, displaying the different ways you can actually earn on this website. The first is answer surveys as it is written. The second is watch videos. The third is complete offers. And the fourth is invite friends. So now I'm going to explain these one after the other. For you to actually answer survey, what it means is answer questions. So now I'm going to answer a survey in portrait mode after this page and show you how to actually answer a survey as well. The second is watch videos. You actually get paid for watching videos. I advise you go through each of these one after the other. And the third is complete offers. So now these are offers. This is what you actually do and you get paid for. You get paid for visiting sites, complete tasks and surveys, downloading apps, downloading games, completing offers and more, and you get paid for watching videos. This is just like crypto, right? So, and the fourth is you actually get paid for inviting friends. I'm going to talk about this at the end of the video. So now permit me to change this video to a portrait mode and show you how to actually complete a task and what you get as a new user. I'm going to show you the page a new user will always get and how to actually get the first point, which is about 1000 points in total. So now immediately you register, you're going to get a page like this. The first thing you want to do is to verify your email address. So check your email, a link will be sent. You have to tap on it. You have to tap on the link sent to the email link on the registration page, and once you're done, refresh this page so they can actually confirm you've verified your account. So now the next thing you want to do is to tap on this 1000 points shown on the screen, but we have to wait a little. So for your registration bonus, you're getting this 1000 points, which is equivalent to $1, right? So now on this page, the next thing we want to do is to actually complete this task and get the 1000 points. So tap on work and immediately you tap on it, it's going to bring out the questions you have to answer. So one thing I want to tell you is I want you to answer all the questions on this page right from the beginning till the end truthfully, as it will determine if you are going to get a survey in the future or not. So they are going to ask you questions on this page and most times they are going to repeat a question 2 or 3 times to be very sure you provided the right answer. So make sure you put in the right answer so you can qualify for future surveys. So I can call this the profile survey, and for completing this you are going to get 1000 points just like this. So once you complete it, you are going to get an email just like this. Not always immediately you complete it, sometimes it takes 3 to 5 minutes, and each time you complete a survey you're going to get an email just like this saying congratulations, you just earned so point. So now this is how to complete a survey and get paid. The next thing is on how to complete job offers. So I'm not going to make a straight video on that, I'm just going to talk about it. For you to complete an offer, just tap on it from the bottom of the page, which is complete offers. Earning watching videos is very easy, just tap on watch videos and watch videos. So for you to complete offers, these are the things you need to do. They are very straightforward as well. So you tap on the first one, your visit sites. TimeWall is my favorite here, so you get paid for doing any of these things. Moving on to the next one, which is inviting friends, then how to withdraw. So if you tap on the invite friends, you're going to see a page like this where you get your referral code and the conditions you need to meet to get a referral bonus. So it's written here, share your referral link with friends and earn 7% of what they earn. Your referral must earn at least 10 points for you to receive 7%. About May completion, sign-up bonuses and manual credits are excluded. So now if you refer someone and they complete the first survey, which is the 1000 naira points, you're not getting a referral bonus from that, but anything they do afterwards, you're going to definitely get 7% of what they earn, which is still very cool. So you're going to earn for a very long time. So this is cool. So now that is all about referring friends and earning. Moving on to how you can actually withdraw it directly to your bank. So now for you to withdraw on this site, you need a minimum of 5000 points. So now before you click with the video saying, oh, I knew this, how can I get 5000 points? I want you to understand that you can also withdraw if you have 2000 points on your balance as well. But for you to withdraw the 2000 points, you need to have a PayPal account. And as you all know, PayPal is restricted in Nigeria, but that is not an issue anymore. I already created a video on how you can actually create a working PayPal account right here in Nigeria. So now let me just say the minimum withdrawal on the site is just 2000 points. So immediately you have 2000 points. Here is what you're required to do. On your account, just tap on the menu, and once you tap on the menu, you are going to get a page like this. We have different options on this page, but here's what you are going to select. If you want to withdraw, you have to tap on this gift cards and cash, and immediately you tap on it, you'll get a page like this showing different ways you can actually withdraw. So for the first, we have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, and we have PayPal. As you can see, for the PayPal you need a minimum of $2 and a maximum of $100. So if you have 2000 points, because 1000 points is equivalent to $1, so if you have 2000 points and you have a PayPal account, you can actually withdraw to your PayPal account with only a minimum of 2000 points. So if you are going for the Bitcoin option, you need a minimum of 5000 points, and if you are going for the Ethereum as well, you need a minimum of 5000 points. So if you do not have a PayPal account, I suggest you watch the video I created. The link is going to be dropped in the description, so you can see for yourself how to create a working PayPal account. Basically, that is all about this video. I hope this explains everything you need to know, right from how to register to the different ways you can earn, to how to perform a task, and to how to withdraw directly to either your PayPal account or your Bitcoin, let me say your crypto wallet app. I hope you find this video helpful, and if this works out well for you, I advise you stick to it and make some money for yourself. So I want to say a big thank you for watching this video, but before I leave, you can click on the link in the description to join the WhatsApp group and join over 850 people, where I drop updates that do not make it to this YouTube channel, and most times make it to this YouTube channel late. So after saying this, I want to say a big thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to like the video, click on that subscribe button, and click on that bell icon to receive notifications immediately I'll post a new video like this. I want to say a big thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.